In today's video, I am going to teach you selection issues and selection problem and selection not working in AutoCAD. If your clicks don't behave the way you expect, these quick checks will get you back to a smooth selection workflow. First, if you can't pick objects before starting a command, that's a noun or verb selection issue. Set the pick first system variable to 1. Just type pick first in the command line, press enter, and enter 1. With that on, you can select objects first, then launch the command, which saves time and matches most users' preferred workflow. If only one object selects at a time, turn on additive selection. Type pick add. Press enter, and set it to 2. This tells AutoCAD to keep your current selection and add new items as you click. If objects keep deselecting as you try to add more, that's the same setting pick add should be too. Also, open options. Go to the Selection tab and uncheck Use Shift to add to selection. With that box unchecked, simple clicking adds to your selection, and Shift becomes optional for removing items instead of adding them. If your selection box or window isn't appearing when you click and move the cursor, set Pick Auto to 1. Type Pick Auto. Press Enter, and enter 1. That brings back the classic window and crossing window behavior when you click an empty space and drag. If it still feels off, try toggling selection cycling with Ctrl W. Turning selection cycling on and off can refresh how object highlighting and selection windows behave, especially in crowded drawings. If a lasso selection keeps appearing when you press and drag and you prefer the square window, open Options, go to the Selection tab, and turn off. Allow press and drag for lasso. That switches you back to rectangular window or crossing window selection so your gestures are predictable. If certain objects refuse to select, check whether their layer is locked. In the Layer Properties Manager, unlock the layer to allow selection and editing. Locked layers are great for protection, but they can feel like a bug if you forget they're locked. After you make these changes, restart AutoCAD. A quick restart ensures your settings are fully applied and clears any lingering odd behavior. That's it. Thanks for watching.